Hey everybody, it's Preston over at Easy Auto Spa doing a little bit of a Monday walkthrough today just with the cool cars we have in our shop. We got this brand new Maybach in for some SunTech Evolve window tint. The new owner wanted to help reject as much heat as possible, about 30 degrees or so, and reject all that UV to help keep his interior nice and pristine before he picks it up from the dealer later today. And up next we have the Shelby F-150 in. This one came in for a paint enhancement and ceramic coating with Crystal Serum Ultra all over this beautiful pearl white paint. We also put some smoked paint protection film over the headlights to give it that kind of edgier look to really complete how kind of badass this ride is. To top it all off, the owner had a curb rash come in pretty much the day before he dropped it off with us. We were able to get that repaired, get it back on here later today, get it all coated and protected for him, make sure this one's ready for the road. Now we're back in our PPF bay. Andre's wrapping up a full front install plus a little bit of rear diffuser protection. This gentleman wanted to help protect his diffuser. It's gloss black, so he wanted to keep any swirl marks, scratches, and chips out of it as he drives and operates this Type S around the roads. We also did a track package of PPF, which means we covered up all of these flares here towards the rear end. We've got this rocker panel covered as well, leading us up to the front end where we protected the side view mirrors, the fenders and their flares, the hood and its scoop, as well as the front bumper and everything else that's on the front of this vehicle, making sure that it doesn't pick up any rock chips, any scratches. It's self-healing, so if it has any scratches on the top of it, that'll go away with time. Help keep this Type S nice and clean and chip-free. Behind it, we've got the brand new 2024 GMC Hummer EV in. This one has the matte green paint on it. With matte green paint, you can't really touch up rock chips as cleanly as you would on, say, a glossy vehicle. You can't polish out any scratches that could occur to it. So this client's having us do a full front end of SunTech Ultra paint protection film, both in matte and gloss, wherever appropriate, just to help keep those panels looking just as good as the day they did, the day he picked it up at GMC. This one's gonna be a fun one. Be sure to check back on our YouTube here for a couple of videos regarding that install and how it turned out. And finally, we've got this Tiguan RN from one of our longtime clients. This is actually the second car that we're going to be correcting and coating for him. This one is in for a two-stage paint correction to remove the swirl marks and restore the gloss and the depth and the clarity to the paint before Carson installs G-Technic's Crystal Serum Ultra all over it to help preserve that gloss and make it a whole heck of a lot easier to clean. We actually noticed a ding on this fender when we were checking it in with the client. He elected to have us repair that too before we get this fender panel corrected and coated as well, just for the cleanest possible result on this one. We love our repeat clients. We love G-Technic and their coatings. Stop on by the shop sometime, see if your car is a good fit for our services. We'd be happy to chat with you about it.